Unfolding the trail map, your guide to understanding this phrase. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, trail map. This is a term you might encounter in various contexts, especially if you're interested in outdoor activities or exploring new areas. So, let's get started on our journey to understand what a trail map is all about. A trail map is essentially a specific type of map that focuses on outdoor areas, usually used for activities like hiking, biking, or skiing. Unlike regular maps, trail maps highlight paths, trails, and important landmarks in specific outdoor areas. They are designed to help adventurers navigate through trails, showing details like trail lengths, difficulty levels, and sometimes even elevation changes. Think of it as a guide for exploring the wilderness safely and enjoyably. Now, you might wonder why trail maps are so important. For starters, they are crucial for safety in outdoor adventures. Without a trail map, it's easy to get lost or take a path that's too challenging. They also help in planning your adventure, allowing you to estimate how long a hike might take, what gear you need, and whether a trail is suitable for your skill level. For environmental reasons, sticking to marked trails, as shown on these maps, helps in preserving natural habitats. Let's look at how to use trail map in everyday English. You might say, make sure to bring the trail map, so we don't get lost. Or, I checked the trail map, and there's a scenic route we can take. In these examples, trail map is used to refer to a practical tool for navigation during outdoor activities. Thank you for joining me today in exploring the meaning and use of trail map. Remember, whether you're planning your next outdoor adventure or just want to understand English phrases better, knowing terms like these can be incredibly useful. I hope this video has been helpful and informative. Happy trails, and see you in our next video. End the video with a friendly smile and a wave, encouraging viewers to like, subscribe, and comment with any questions or phrases they'd like to learn about next.